Aglio. Ciao to everybody out there in YouTube wasteland. It's your good old pal Jess, and this is a very, very special cooking edition of HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Today we're going to be cooking a super easy, super yummy Italian dish called Olio. And if you can't pronounce it, just say hallelujah, because it's hella good. Olio literally translates to garlic and oil. I learned this dish from a good friend of mine in California. His name is Pops. Pops is a good old Italian American boy from Jersey. Pops is also a great cook and used to own a couple of restaurants in Marietta and Temecula. One was, I believe, called Hibachi's, the other one, the Frothy Pint Irish Pub. I used to bartend for Pops at the Frothy Pint. We became very, very good friends. On Sundays during football season, he would invite us over to his house, and grazing would start around 10 a.m. And anybody that's been around a good Italian family, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's family style. It's just food keeps coming out, and it's like, Pops was always so generous. His only request was to bring in a bottle of wine. So it became a running joke that I would bring stuff like Mad Dog 2020 or Boone's Farm or my favorite, Manischewitz. Watching Pops cook was like watching Michelangelo, Donatello, and Leonardo paint the Sistine Chapel. I learned my history from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Needless to say, Pops' Olio became my favorite dish for him to cook. The ingredients we're gonna need to cook this awesome dish are angel hair pasta, salt and pepper, garlic, fresh Italian parsley, andouille sausage or Italian sausage, grated Parmesan cheese, a half cup olive oil, butter, half tablespoon crushed red pepper, bay leaves. All right, all you woo heads, let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do is get our water boiling. As always, put some salt in the water. Another thing I like to do is drop a few bay leaves in the water as well. I don't know if it does anything for the flavor, but it sure does make your home smell good. One thing I have seen people do is put olive oil in their water. Don't do that. It stops the sauce from sticking to the pasta. Let's go ahead and prep the other ingredients. Start with slicing the garlic. If you're like me, too much garlic isn't enough. I actually ate so much garlic one weekend, my fiance made me throw the sheets away, and then when I went into work Monday morning, I stunk the place up. Next, chop up the parsley. Then chop up the Italian sausage. All right, it's time to grate the Parmesan. I use this kind. It's already grated, and it's a time saver. Okay, I have this dry, cold pan right here, and we're going to heat it up on medium heat. Don't burn the olive oil because you're going to lose the flavor. Put the garlic in while the olive is cold. The trick here is to slowly infuse the garlic flavor into our olive oil. Another important thing to remember is that garlic can burn very easily. What you want is to get this nice golden brown garlic. Now go ahead and throw the sausage in there. And then the spice that gives the olio the kick, crushed red pepper. All right, it's getting close to time to put in the spaghetti. Let's take out the bay leaves. It smells so good. Before I strain the pasta, I'm going to fetch me about a half a cup of pasta water for reserve. Drain the pasta. Throw the pasta into the Tassomatic 1000. It is the official Olio tossing bowl. You can pick these up over at Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description below. Let's throw our parsley in there. On top of that, dump our generous helping of Parmesan cheese. Now quickly grab our oil. I know this seems like a lot of oil, but trust me when I say, listen to me now, believe me later. There's so much flavor in the oil, it's beyond belief, and it smells amazing. I wish you could smell this. It isn't traditional, and Pops would kick my ass, but I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. Hey, we're Americans. Butter makes everything better, I guess? Let's get some pepper and salt in there. You can do this to taste. Now we have the proper Aglio shaking bowl. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. Shake, 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 Sonora. Rock your body line. Stir that around. Whew. The nice thing about Olio is it always tastes better the second day because it gives a chance for all the oil and the flavors to settle in. I need to add more Parmesan. The cheese police, they're waiting for you. The cheese police, they're inside of my head. All right, let's give this a taste. First, you need your proper Olio eating bowl. Stick that right in there. Ooh, it's amazing. Perfect. Cooked perfect. Oh, the spices, the flavor, the oil, it's all in there. And fuck ambrosia. That's not the food of the gods. That's a lie. This is the food of the gods. The flavor's amazing. Trust me, if you've never cooked before, I guarantee you success. And if you make this for a girl, she probably will never leave you. She'll just stay. She'll just slowly drain the life out of you ever so slowly. Till one day you feel a pain right in the center of your chest, and then your heart stops beating. But anyway, I really enjoyed sharing this with you, and I hope you enjoy eating it as well. I also left the ingredients in the description down below. If you like this video, share it and hit the like and subscribe button. Hell, might as well do a shot for Pops. Bad Dog 2020. Yeah. Bon appetito, salute, and fongul. Oh, that just screams headache in the morning and hangover. Oh God.